are working on a budget bathroom remodel because we are moving into our house in 1 week. So we're gonna show you guys some cool ways that you can make your bathroom really beautiful for not a lot of money.
Let's go.
So this bathroom is going to be our girls' bathroom. It's upstairs in our house. Right now it's not usable. It's pretty yucky in here. So we are going to be quickly doing some renovations. We're gonna try to keep it low cost because we might be coming back later to make it a little more high end. But right now we need to make it usable but still really cute. So there's a lot of ways we can do that for a low cost.
Oh yeah, easy. After we took the shower door off, it used to be blue. So what they did, this is a cast iron tub, what they did is something called re-glazing. So we're actually gonna re-glaze this tub to be pure white instead of the off-white color it is. Just freshen it up, make it more modern. And then this lovely off-white toilet is gonna go too. So the re-glazing kit costs about $50. We'll break down our exact budget at the end of this video. But it basically is a waterproof, like epoxy type paint that will cover all of this permanently so that it will not scratch and come off when it gets wet. Say hello to my mom.
Hello.
She is behind the scenes a lot around here. She helps with a lot of projects. She just never on video, but today we're gonna be glazing this tub.
Mm-hmm.
She's done it before, so she's the expert here.
Sure.
All right, tell them what you're doing, Mom.
Oh, I am steel wooling all the extra residue off.
There you go. She's got the trim off. That's the blue color it was before. So overall, the reglazing process was quite simple. Just make sure you follow the directions to a T and ventilate the bathroom really well. The fumes are super nasty.
So this side of the bathroom is kind of my specialty. I am going to be obviously getting new light fixtures. Not sure what's going on here.
You don't like those? Look at that. Oh, sorry. Oh.
Dude, I might want to keep this mirror.
Oh, sorry. Oh.
We're also going to be painting the cabinets and then actually the countertop as well using our favorite Beyond Paint. So we'll get into those colors in a minute. We'll be updating just nice bright white walls. I think I'll be doing black trim, which I've always wanted to try. Right now we're not going to be switching out the sinks. It's just a lot of work, and like we said, we're living in this in a week. So we're keeping these even though they're pretty outdated. Eventually we're going to probably be doing a glam up in this bathroom where we get nicer sinks and nicer fixtures. But right now we just want to make it pretty and livable. Please don't smash it.
I won't smash it. I won't smash it.
This isn't that bad. They're kind of cute.
Is that?
Yeah, they
It's like Victorian maybe. Maybe you could shorten it.
Yeah. Kind of cool.
It's kind of boob light.
Well, they're like a pumpkin.
Boob.
No. Oops.
Ooh, wallpaper.
Thick.
Got it?
Yeah. Maybe. Holy cow, it's heavy.
Alright.
You doing your favorite thing?
I love toilets. I don't actually. The toilets are my least favorite thing. So, step one, rubber gloves.
How many toilets have you replaced in your life?
15 maybe.
Ooh.
So, rubber gloves. Then you turn your water off. Flush the toilet. Get all the water out, or most of the water out. It's still gonna be messy. Then these two bolts on either side, and then it's ready to go. Very easy. All right, let's go. Wah! Lovely. Ah. Do a little waddle thing with ah. All right, that's not the most flattering shot here. Oh, I don't know if I've come downstairs before this way.
Is it worth it?
It's making a big mess. Oh dear. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
This is terrible. Okay, gotta get it outside. Get it outside. Open the door. Help me out.
I did. Sorry.
journey is almost over.
It's a long ways. Here comes our trash pile. Oh.
This one, come close, come close.
Oh.
That, ladies and gentlemen, that's why I just throw toilets out. That one was, I started cleaning it, saw that, and I was like, nope. I'm just gonna throw it out and get a new one. Last but not least, you gotta get the wax seal up. This is my least favorite part. Very nasty.
Sick. Why is it like that?
To keep the water out, I guess. I don't know.
So now that we have finished demoing out what we need to in this bathroom, it is time to start painting. So I am actually going to be painting the walls, the trim, the countertop, and the vanity base. So it's a lot of paint in this small little room. So it's a really cheap way to make a huge transformation. So today we're using Beyond Paint, which if you guys have watched any of our other videos, you know that we absolutely love this stuff. It's my favorite because there is no stripping, no sanding, no priming. It goes on so stinking smooth and it always just looks really professional. But what's really cool about this stuff is that I can also use it on a countertop and then go on with their sealer, and then it's like a real countertop. Like, it doesn't scratch. It's just super nice stuff for a really affordable option instead of ripping out this whole vanity and getting a new sink. One, we just don't have time for that because we need to be using this in the next couple of weeks. And also, it's just a really cheap option. We just had this stuff on hand from past projects that we use all the time. So we are using a pewter, which is like a dark gray for the top, and then a forest green for the base. So if you guys are interested in Beyond Paint, we'll leave a link below. Go check out their website. They have really cool colors and stuff. But it's just really awesome paint to have on hand for random projects. I've used it so much and I'm always so impressed with it. Even like the durability long term of it is awesome. So I'm going to get started by cleaning off this vanity so that our paint can adhere to it really well. So that's what I'm going to do first. I always just clean it with vinegar water. One of my best kept secrets for painting is keeping baby wipes on hand. They are not just for babies because they're like a little bit wet. You make a mistake and you use baby wipes. All right, there she is. First coat. One more after this. While we're waiting for the top coat to dry, I'm gonna start by taking off these doors and all the hardware, and then I'm gonna start painting, after I clean it, my green paint. So I think it's gonna look real good. I'm super pumped. All right, so I am painting the doors now on this landing because we are waiting for carpet, so it doesn't matter if I get paint on it. So this is my painting spot. We did the wallpaper last night. We didn't get very much footage of that because it was extremely frustrating. But it looks good. It looks good. It was worth it. It turned out super cute. So now we just have to add in some warmth with our decor and some color and things like that. But we're getting close.
Uh-oh. Watch out here. Go over here. Over here. Thank you. Installing vinyl plank is a super simple process and it requires hardly any tools. I was able to install the flooring for this bathroom in about 3 hours. Really happy we decided to switch the color out. These warmer tones suit this bathroom a lot better.
What have you been working on?
Flooring today went pretty quick and it looks a lot better.
Yes, it does. How much did it cost you?
Too much. I think we had to spend like $180.
Oof.
Yeah.
What's 180?
All right, here it is, our $750 bathroom remodel.
It turned out so awesome. Ruby loves it. I can't wait to show you guys all the little pieces we have picked out. The whole time we were doing this, I was like, I don't know, is it that cute? But as it all started to come together, I'm just super in love with it, and it was really pretty cheap.
So we're gonna break down our full budget in the description, so if you're curious about what we paid for everything, you can look there. But some of this stuff we had from our old house we'll show you. Some of this stuff we thrifted, and then we also got some good deals, so let's show them.
So we really didn't rip out much in this bathroom. We kept everything as is, and we just kind of gave things a fresh coat of paint. We used our Beyond paint on these cabinets, also on the countertop, which is so unique. We reglazed the sinks and the tub and the walls. This was kind of like a beige color. It was just a little bit outdated, so we made it a bright, fresh white. Jamie's mom helped so much with that. So Jamie put on a new shower head, which just freshens it up. We got our toilet at auction here.
Sweet toilet.
Pretty cool toilet. But really the decor is what made it kind of feel really cozy and homey in here. So I got these mirrors from Hobby Lobby. I got them half off for $60. I was so pumped because they're just like a little feminine touch in here, because this will be our girls' bathroom. And one thing that we did was there was a chandelier here, if you guys remember, and then it had these big bulky chains that kind of hung there and down. And we were going to rip out some drywall here, and Jamie was going to rewire everything so that there could be sconces above there. But there was going to be this big empty space here. So what we did instead, which was a lot more simple and just aesthetically a lot better, is we just kept that electrical there and then did like kind of a unique chandelier here, which is a little different for a bathroom. But I bought this one for $50 and I spray painted it gold because it was black, which the gold ones that I wanted were like $150. So that was a way that I saved money. And we didn't really need extra light in here because Jamie installed these really nice can lights in here as well. So this bathroom is already really bright. I also took these brass poles. These are the original poles, and I just spray painted them a little bit softer of a brass because they were kind of that shiny gold. So those just look a little nicer, a little more modern. But a lot of the things in here I really already had. Like we already had this rug. We're moving, so I'm kind of moving everything around anyway. So most of this stuff is just stuff I had, and I just kind of gathered it all and organized it until I thought it looked cute. So yeah, I did get some fun artwork for the walls for the girls that I thought they would think was super goofy and fun. Ruby helped me pick some of it out, so that was kind of fun to do with her now that she's getting a little older. This is a cool shelf that I've had forever, but I've never hung it up anywhere, and I found the perfect spot for it, and it's adorable. This is a little gifty from my sister. So this shower curtain we actually got from a pallet, which if you guys have seen our pallet videos, that's when you buy return merchandise on a big shipment pallet, and then you get a bunch of random stuff, and that was in one of them, so we kept it. So yeah, a lot of this stuff we already had, including like all the paint. We didn't buy a single thing of paint for this room. We already had it, which you might think is cheating, but I'm guessing you guys also have paint around your house and just random stuff you can use. So this wallpaper is from Target. They have a few fun different wallpapers there, and this one I just really loved the watercolor design. Just the black and white I thought was really unique.
All right, thanks for watching, guys, and thanks to Beyond Paint again for sponsoring this video. We have been recording a lot of stuff because we actually are all moved into this house. Our old house is gone, and we are in the middle of a lot of chaos. So we've been recording a lot of clips, and we're gonna have a lot more updates for you soon, so stay tuned for that.
Thanks for watching, guys. We will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Out the window, what do you see?
A deer.
A deer? Oh yeah, wow, isn't that cool?